So today, what we're doing is we are working on the drift trike again. The high school musical drift trike, we'll call it. So what I want to do is I want to cut here, get the general layout, cut out some pieces of angle iron, weld them in place. I kind of want to put a piece of angle underneath this edge, a piece of angle underneath that edge, put one across here, and then if we have time, I would like to weld some supports from here to that edge just to give this more stability, because like I said, this metal is really bad. I don't know what it is, why it's so bad, but it's really bad. So yeah, we are going to attempt to do this now. I haven't decided. I might stick weld some of this. If I stick weld anything to this part, I have to do it super low. If I TIG weld, it has to be super low too, but it works. You just kind of have to fill it in a little bit and then you have to weld to it. I have this terrible feeling that this front end is not going to really work for us. We might have to get a slightly older bike that has better metal on it. On the back, I just threw the tires on here just to get a general idea. It does lean, the front is a little bit higher than the back. I'm pretty sure this size tire is a little bit bigger than what I'm going to be putting on this. I'm waiting for them to come in. We'll know by the weekend if this setup is going to work. I'm just going to go for it for now, because worst case, I could always cut the back a little bit and extend it up a hair. I've been considering moving the rear axle forward a little bit anyway and chopping the back, or at least if I move it forward a little bit, it'll even out this whole setup, so that way it looks a little better, because I feel like the axle's too far back. I'm not concerned about it yet. We may work with this. I also have a torque converter coming, and I'm probably going to use the Predator motor on this, so we'll see what happens with that. That'll be in the next episode. So let's get to work on this. Yeah, and enjoy my huge boogery welds. I was trying out some stuff with the stick welding and everything. It can always be ground off, that's all I have to say. So, anyway, what we're going to do first is we're going to cut along the edge here and pick a point to use. Honestly, I mean, we definitely need more support here, but it's better than I thought it was going to be. So this obviously needs to be ground down some more. I'm going to wait until the end. I need to weld a little bit more in this corner and the front piece. But this thing's pretty well boogered onto here for now. So I'm thinking about going, I think I'm going to cut this just ahead of this hole, because this hole can be referenced on this side, and this hole can be referenced on this side as well. So let's make that our angle. We'll go just on the outside of that on both sides. Not looking for perfection here. I think we'll use a piece of this to fill on the sides, strengthen it up. Let's do that. Something along those lines. really was just using that to back it in place. Way overkill. Okay. So, I need to weld this all together, but man, I think that's gonna work. That's what we're gonna get. It's not perfectly square, because nothing really is perfectly square on this, so it'll do. Really need to put air in that tire. If it even holds there, I don't know. Cool. I think this will work. Alright. So I'm gonna see if I can weld some of this together. And I'm calling it a day. This is a pain in the butt. It's just a lot of work. Alright.
Any ideas?
That's it for today. I'm going to grind a little bit more and I'm calling it a day. These are going to need some work in this area. I did layer them on top of each other, but I was hoping that they would go together okay, and then I'd be able to get a couple points on there, which worked, but we need to finish attaching them a little better. So lots of boogery welds. I'm going to grind them off, clean them up. Not perfect, but like I said, I'm learning, so things are slowly getting better. I'm able to use the harder electrodes, the 7018s. They were hard for me to do in the beginning at all, and now they're easy for me to start, so I'm getting somewhere. Making progress. Anyway, that's it. I'll see you the next one. You might see a little bit more of this, but that's it for today.